Follow our step-by-step guide to fit Venetian blinds. What you need: a cordless drill and drill bit, safety goggles, pipe and cable detector, tape measure, pencil, screwdriver, screws, wall plugs for your surface, the blinds and brackets. How to measure your windows for blinds. Measure the width and height of the window where you wish to fit the blinds. You can buy ready-made blinds if your window is standard size. How to install Venetian blinds. When judging the distance of the bracket from the window, allow an extra centimetre of clearance. For example, if a handle sticks out about 4 centimetres, you want the bracket 5 centimetres in from the back of the recess. Using the blinds as a guide, measure the distance from the side of the recess where the first bracket is to be fitted. Also, make sure you use the distance inwards from the window that you've calculated. Mark this spot with a pencil. Do the same with the right-hand side. Place the bracket on the wall, then mark the holes with a pencil. Check the spot you intend to drill with the pipe and cable detector. Once clear, pop on your goggles and drill into your pencil marks. Put your wall plugs in, making sure they're flush to the recess wall. Screw in each of the brackets supplied until they're tight. With the blinds control, such as cords or wands, facing outwards, lift the top rail to line up with all the brackets and push their swing arms clockwise to lock the rail into place. Please note that your kit may vary. It might come with additional trim, for example. Always check with the instructions to make sure you're installing your blinds correctly.